about finding out if there's still space available for the October 12th weekend. Okay, just had too much going on the weekend of the 5th to go to the one in Tampa. How does that